JCorp, we are proud to have initiated Pentas Seni Johor, a platform created to empower local talents and ensure that Johor's vibrant art and cultural heritage continues to thrive. Originally launched at B5 Johor Street Market, Pentas Seni was envisioned as a space for creativity, identity and expression. Since then, Pentas Seni Johor has continued to grow, expanding beyond its home ground and reaching new spaces and communities.